Hare Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
One more time. Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna,
Krishna Krishna,
Hare Hare,
Hare Hare,
Hare Ram,
Hare Ram,
Hare Ram,
Hare Ram,
Ram Ram,
Ram Ram,
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare.
Thank you so much.
This thing on very important one.
Yeah.
Why I want to say Supreme Personality is Godhead. But
Yes.
you follow this Krishna, any serviceman, Kartik have, Ganesh have, your God Buddha, right? He also happy.
Yes, yes, yes.
He also,
All got saved.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's why you anytime open working time, mind no good time, only you talking Hare Krishna, God help me, Krishna help me, Krishna help me.
Hare Krishna, Hare is what?
Yes.
Have
Hare Krishna,
Oh.
Krishna name.
a?
This Hare Krishna Mahamantra chanting, be happy. You want to Chinese, right?
Yeah.
You want to live manual, one book have Bhagavad Gita. You Bhagavad Gita, you be reading ready, right?
Yes.
After you understand why you come back this world, you try ready, after you going to where place going, you now not understand, right?
Yeah.
So somebody thinking, I die ready, life finish. Because you are not body, you are soul.
Yeah.
But soul no die. Die only your body. You whatever doing this world, after the next life, next body you can take. Krishna follows people. Krishna follows devotee. You want to go back Galak Vrindavan. But he cannot return, come back this world. Because other Ganesh follow, Kartik follow, Shiv follow, anyone follow, again come back this world, life make.
This
Yes,
material.
yes.
Life make bird, tree, any animal. So
Hare
how do body, how many lakh? 8